Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the apps and notifications, then go to the advanced, special app access, and then install unknown apps. So here you have the whole list of the apps through which you can install unknown apps. Let's pick for example Google Chrome and tap allow from this source, and now you can install unknown apps through the Google Chrome as much as you want. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.